time to crack my own spine and neck? I'm going to answer that question by saying, I'm not sure what you mean by cracking it, but I don't do that either. Eyes, so the tracks of life. Nice job. Clean. Did I crack anything? No, nothing breaks. Therefore, we don't fix and break, we heal and grow.
Okay, nice and easy.
There is a misnomer that chiropractors crack backs. Okay, you don't break and you don't need to be fixed. What we do as chiropractors is not cracking. And when you make sounds by popping your knuckles or twisting your spine, those sounds are not bad. They're energetic releases that happen in the body. It's natural. It's a phenomenon of moving energy. When you take an ice cube out of the refrigerator and put it in a pan of hot water, it's going to pop. It's an expression of energy being released. Mobility is what we're looking for. If we can keep the spine flexible and mobile, that's a key component. We don't want to get stiff, rigor mortis. We want to move. And that includes our energy and motion, our emotions. They need to be worked on as for healing.